can get really big, really fast. And a big lie can just swallow you up. And Junior, you made a really big lie.
LarryBoy, can you hear me? I've made a discovery.
What?
You cannot stop the lie.
Alfred, we've been over this.
No, listen. You cannot stop the lie, but someone else can.
What? Who?
I don't know yet. The computer's working on it right now.
Now, which one of you guys should I eat first?
Alfred! We have no time!
It's baking!
You sort of look like candy.
No, really, it's spandex. It's quite bitter. Alfred!
I'm getting a reading!
Alfred!
It looks like... Ah!
Alfred! What's happening?
Ah! Food, you transistorized tormentor! Food! Goodbye, Bubbly Bird! It's Junior! It's Junior! Junior can stop the lie!
I did it! I broke the plate! I said Laura broke the plate and that was a lie. I said Lenny broke the plate and that was a lie too. It was me. I'm the one who did it. It was all my fault. Now, how do I get down from here? There's a problem I know I can handle. Dad, I'm really sorry about your plate.
Oh, Junior, I'm sure it was an accident. I just wish you would have told me right away.
I thought you'd be really mad at me.
Junior, you're much more important to me than any old bowling plate.
I guess I should be punished, huh?
I think what you've been through today was punishment enough. What do you think, Dad?
I think you're right. Let's just make sure that from now on we get the true story the first time.
Oh, doesn't it just warm your heart? And it's all because of one man, one plunger-headed hero always ready when Bumbly Bird needs him. LarryBoy? Up, there he goes again.